In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop your iPhone from listening to you. Now, if you have turned on certain settings, your iPhone might be always listening. So let's go through the settings you need to check and turn off step by step. First, remove microphone access from apps you don't trust. To do this, go to your settings app. Now scroll down to the privacy and security. Then again scroll down to the microphone and now toggle off any app that shouldn't record audio. We do this to prevent unnecessary audio access. Now we will stop cross app tracking. Open your iPhone settings. Now scroll down and tap on privacy and security, then tracking. And from here you have to turn off allow apps to request to track. We do this to stop apps from following you across other apps and websites. Now go back to the privacy and security, then location services. Now tap each app and choose the minimum permission it needs. To do this, select while use the app and choose never for the apps that don't need the location, and also turn it off for the apps that don't need GPS. We do this because location is one of the most sensitive types of data and we should keep it private. Now next, we will reduce Apple data sharing. So go back to the privacy and security, then scroll all the way down to analytics and improvements. Now turn off share iPhone analytics and also turn off share iCloud analytics. Then turn off improve Siri and dictation if it's turned on. We do this to send less diagnostics and uses data to Apple. Now go back and tap on Apple advertising and switch off personalized ads. We do this to limit ads targeting inside Apple services. After this, you may still see ads, but they will be less personalized for you. And that's it. That's how you can stop your iPhone from listening to you. If you get stuck anywhere, feel free to ask me in the comments. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. And thanks for watching.